One very important thing before you begin, go to Edit, Preferences, choose Performance, and in order for the 3D to work, make sure that you have Use Graphic Processor option checked. Then click OK, close Photoshop and start it again. Then click Create New or File New. Let's go to Print and pick one of the presets. Let's pick A4 and set it to horizontal orientation. Then click Create. Select the text tool. And here you can pick your color. I'm gonna be using orange, so I will leave it like this. Click OK. Set the size to somewhere around 300 pixels, and I'll be using Arial Bold for the font. Now click and type your layer. You can hit the caps lock to write in capital letters. Let's drag the text somewhere around the center. And right here you can see where it says 3D, just click it. Then just click F7 on your keyboard or go to Window and choose Layers. And now that the Layers panel appears, right click on the 3D layer and choose Rasterized layer. And this is it. Now you have your 3D effect in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Damien Photoshop channel and to like the video.